Oh, okay guys, this is a mini update of RaceTruck. It's back home. The transmission builder that I had built originally, he ran into some problems with his family, so, family comes first, so I just brought it home. But what the plan is here is we're going to take it out of the truck, take it apart. I have a whole manual in the garage and videos on how to do that, and I've taken it apart once in a ZR2 Blazer, so, it can't be that hard. But what I think happened here is blew planetaries up. Thought it was the transfer case originally, but that seems fine. All the linkage is good. It's acting completely normal. So I think I may have broken one of the broken a 4-pinion planet again. So the idea here is get this apart, see what's broke, and probably put a 5-pinion planet in it, and go from there. Really see what happens, because took it apart, thought it was the rear diff. Rear diff is fine, acts normal. It's not the drive shafts, it's not the front diff. Everything seems to be good, but I am really excited to have this truck back. It's been like a month and a week. So, just figured to give you all an update. And since I have a body lift on this truck, it's really super easy to take one of these transits out. Like I've been working on this for maybe an hour by myself, and I need to take exhaust, bell housing bolts, and cross member, and we're out. Torque converter bolts, or trans lines too, excuse me. Trans lines, exhaust, cross member, and we're out. So you definitely can do this with hand tools if you've done it before. Everything, the way I was raised is if it came apart, it can, or if it's put together, it can be taken apart. So that's the plan. I will keep you all updated when I find out what's broke and what's replaced, and when it's back driving again, because this truck, it's my old girl. Can't get rid of her. Also, fun fact, muffler man in Flint, Michigan. Look at that nice little shoddy brake line job. Yeah, that's a good time. It's like rubs all the way up there. Looks all funky, but oh well. The truck still stops. Has good brakes. Nice, gritty. What a real, quote-unquote, real truck looks like. Just kidding. But, no, this is used and abused. It's got an oil pan leak. They all have those. Torque converter says hi. I used an air ratchet. Real super easy. Instead of using fucking 17 extensions to try and get up in there, literally just rotate it around so you can get an air ratchet on it. Burp it like 3 times, and you're out.